How's it going, guys? My name is Grant. Today we are going to be playing. I don't know what we're playing, but we're going to be playing something scary. So hold on to your pants. We're going to be playing on Nightmare Level. Trial mode. I can't do that. Wow. And we're going to be Douchatron. Okay. Loading, as you can see. Loading. Alright, let's do this. We gotta find all the tape recorders. Flashlight is X, A to pick up, RT is to run. The only problem with RT to run is you can't. What the hell is that noise? What the hell is that noise? Already. It's already starting. This way. Fuck that, go this way. Okay. So we're like... Alright, I'm going this way. I can't handle that noise. It's sketching me out. How come when you run, the flashlight goes away? Oh god, we're fucked. Oh god. Alright, well we're gonna go around here and we're gonna look for some of those stupid tape recorders. This game is ridiculous. Oh no. What is that noise? I hear one. I hear one. I hear one. Earmo. Oh, something's jump scaring us. Something is jump scaring us. Where the hell is it? Where is it? Ah, here we go. We found one. Ah, what is that? Oh no, I see him. Oh my god, I see him. Where'd he go? Fuck that, run. Me no likey game. Me no likey game. Oh no. Go in the tunnel. We're safe here. Oh, this music is not helping. This music is not helping. Oh god. Ah! Whoa! Oh shit! Fuck you, bro! Ah! Oh my god! Fuck that! Well, I ain't scared of no jump scares. 2 minutes and 9 seconds. That's a record.